Alright, welcome to this next set of videos for Math Review. And these are going to be a little bit more advanced. And this one we're going to talk about matrices. And I'm going to ask you to think back when we did systems of equations. Alright. We had two original ways. We had substitution, or we had elimination. Now we're going to have this third way called a matrix. Let's say I gave you this system. 3x plus 4y minus 5z equals 10. Four x plus 5y plus 10z equals 3. And 15x plus 9y plus 2z equals 5. How would you set up a matrix for this? Well, it's actually a lot easier than you might think. I have 1, 2, 3 equations, so I need one row per equation and one column per variable. So I have 3, 4, minus 5, 4, 5, 10, 15, 9, 2. So this one's just coefficients. That's going to be multiplied by x, y, z, which is all my variables, to give me 10, 3, 5, which is all my answers. Alright, so far we're just talking about setting up a matrix, or setting up the matrices to solve. We haven't gone to actually solving these yet. Well, let's talk about how to multiply matrices. Multiplying. Because there are some rules that we need to go over first. Suppose A and B are matrices. A times B equals C. The columns of matrix A must equal the rows of matrix B. So let's use the above example. A was 3 rows by 3 columns. B was 3 rows by 1 column. Those equal. So C is going to have 3 rows and 1 column. So let's just make a note here. C has A's rows and B's columns. Alright, so we haven't really done much with matrices yet, other than just set them up. And we're going to do one more thing on this video before we talk more in depth about matrices. Let's just talk about basic multiplying matrix together. Let's say we have A1, A2, A3, A4, and this would be matrix A. And we had B1, B2, this would be matrix B. Let's see, this is 3 by 3, oh, sorry, 2 by 2. And then this is 2 by 1. Those equal. So C must be 2 by 1. And we're going to call it C1, C2. How would I find those, though? Well, C1 equals A1, B1 plus A2, B2. And C2 will equal A3, B1 plus A4, B2. So I'm tired of being generic. Let's get specific. Let's say we had 1, 2, 3, 4 by 5, 6. What's the answer going to be? Well, I'm going to put that in my C matrix here, C1, C2. So C1 equals 1 times 5 plus 2 times 6. And C2 equals 3 times 5 plus 4 times 6. So we get 5 plus 12, which equals 17. And we have 15 plus 24, which equals 39. Alright, so that's the basics of matrices. In the next couple videos, we're going to get a little bit more in depth. So like I usually like to do, I'm going to keep this first one nice and simple. So that's how you multiply matrices and how you set them up. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.